Inter Milan midfielder Rafinha has revealed Lionel Messi and Luis Suarez urged him to join a big club before he signed on loan with the Serie A side from Barcelona. The Brazilian midfielder only featured once for Barca this season, having struggled to fully recover from knee surgery back in April last year before he left the club for Inter in January. Rafinha, who came through the youth ranks at Barca, was made available for loan last month and had several options open to him with a number of clubs interested. But he decided to spend the rest of the season in Italy and revealed he made his decision based on advice from his teammate Messi. Leo Messi told me to go to a big club. He told La Gazzetta dello Sport. In January I spoke to Messi but also Suarez. They explained to me that I was going to a historic club, a big world. I was going crazy thinking about Ronaldo and Adriano when they were at Inter. I did not come here thinking about recovering from my injury and then returning to Barcelona. I hope to stay. Inter have the option to make Rafinha's move permanent for £30 million at the end of the season. Rafinha is still easing back to full fitness and has only made 4 appearances off the bench for Inter so far. However, the 25-year-old insisted he is ready to play more and has his eyes set on next Sunday's Milan derby. I'm looking forward to the Milan derby. That's the sort of game everyone knows, like Barcelona versus Real Madrid or River Plate versus Boca Juniors.